C. Sige, wala na kami memorize sa Starling.
Ang wala na memorize sa Starling. Dua ka.
Basta na yung ma-perfect gani ron. Pa-memorize na ko ang story. Ano, matuoy mo. Perfect kids siya.
Uy, Jin. Di ba?
Oh! Ano ba yung mong hala? Pero si Ashley, wapagid siya ng mahal na pag-yod.
Jer, limo na lang ako ng sila. Ano yan? Limo? Ay? Jer, sakto ni sa ulahi, Jer. Ano? Ano ay? Sakto ni sa ulahi? Nakamurize
Kaya ka ba yung notebook ni mo? Na-GM man kayo, nagkuhan man. Na muandras GM sa inyong mga answer. Daghan kayo nagpaabot sa inyong answer. Upat ka buhok.
Ano yung animal, sir?
Si Aya ka, wala na nakapao kay story ayan mo.
Jer, ano yung animal?
Nakasabot rin itong Aya, anong wala siya nakakuhan. Okay, wala siya nakakuhan sa story.
Yung man na Jer.
Wala pa sa...
Off, ano na, off, med, off blank, med blank, smile, and blank.
Ako pa, duman na
Feed
ako.
blank, and the blank. Oh, boy!
Reminder. Di ba atong klase is 8? Magpalan mo 7. Kaya karon, makamata mo, ligo mo. Tawai, inyo nga mga naong is duka pa kayo. Ana, sit down properly. Huh? Oh, Chito. Giduka ba si Chito? Sleepy pa si Chito. Isa kay Sleepy, si Aya. Oh, see? Si Ashley is naglutang. Si Wana sa mula sa gisilipan. Students, we have there in the board different words. I want you to read each of that and make your voice loud. If you do have mistakes, I will make a correction in the pronunciation. So please open your mouth wide so that you can pronounce it well. So bukahon ang baba para mas ma-enhance ang inyong reading skills. Okay, special class, am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, so start na.
There, fair, fake, rare, fail, change, rage, enrage, stage, school, best,
Wait, alliance. Follow. Alliance. Okay, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Alliance. Go.
alliance,
What is that word?
alliance,
Okay, continue.
reliance,
Okay, again.
reliance,
Again.
reliance,
Okay, continue.
I,
Wait, it's strong. Aim. Again. What is that word? Okay, continue.
blame, frame, share,
Wait. Shift.
shift,
Oh, I mean to say chief.
shift,
Chief.
shift,
What is that word?
shift,
Chief.
shift,
Chief.
shift,
Chief. Gahi siya. Chief.
shift,
Then, the next word,
shift,
chef. Okay, ang first is gahi. Chief. Chief. Ang ubos is chef. Chef. Okay, continue.
relief,
Relief.
relief,
Again.
relief,
What is that word?
relief,
Continue.
diff,
Thief.
diff,
Thief.
diff,
Follow after me. Thief.
diff,
Task.
task,
What is that word?
task,
Okay, continue.
flask,
Flask. Again.
flask,
Flask.
flask,
Repeat after me. Flask.
flask,
Again.
flask,
Again.
flask,
Okay, continue.
rage, rage,
Crack.
rock,
Crack.
rock,
Make your voice loud. Crack.
Crack.
Okay, continue.
Hey. This. Attack.
Okay, very good. Okay, so unsa ganang after sa vest, unsa na nga kwan? Vest. Okay, after sa vest, unsa nga word?
Alliance.
Okay, again, what is that word?
Alliance.
How about after sa frame? Unsa na nga word?
Chef. Chief.
Gahi.
Chief.
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 Then, after sa chief?
Chef.
Chef. Okay, so, na ay mga different pronunciations as well as sounds sa words. So, in order for you to read the word correctly, you're going to pair it and remember always the sounds of the kuan. Kato bitaw mga sounds niya. A, E, I, O, U. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Right? The abacada sounds. Namo sa school, ana, right? Okay, so follow and practice. Okay, you may write down in your notebook the following words. Pag-copy mo, ana, guys. Okay, students, for this afternoon, you're going to present a role play which tackles about good manners. So, I want you to live a life with good manners, not just discussion lang ang good manners. So, you need to apply it in your real life situation, day by day life situation, not just in here only in study room, but apply it in your own life, in your own individual life, sa inyong family as well as sa inyong surroundings. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, pasabot ana ato daw i-apply sa inyong kinabuhi, sa inyong panimalay, sa inyong palibot, dili magpabadlong ang bata. Okay? So i-apply ang good manners or teachings nga inyong nakatunan diri sa study room. Okay, so now you may start your role play.
안녕하세요. We are the junior high and we're going to present our role play about good manners. Good morning, ma'am. Can we help both of you? Yeah, sure. Thank you for helping us, our dear students. You're always welcome, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can we go now? Yeah, sure. Again, thank you for helping us. You're always welcome, ma'am. Goodbye. We have learned that always be helpful and also be kind to others. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, students, well done. Okay, take my advice. It is not all about discussion alone. Here in study room, you always know that we do have basic English, basic mathematics, but remember always that above all is good manners. When we say good manners, dapat i-apply sa inyong family. You must help your parents doing household chores, right? Okay, so good manners na, cleanliness is next to godliness. So is it right nga dili mo motabang sa inyong parents? So dapat motabang mo because it is good manners as well. Dili lang kay greetings ang good manners. As well as actions. Take part of your family para ang inyong house dili lang matawag og house but home. So mao na siya ang meaning sa good manners. I-apply sa family first, magsugod ang tanan because family is the first nga inyong masalimuha, right? Sa inyong makauban ba? Sa inyong masocialize. So first, put into responsible kanang individual nga mo learn and grow mo dira mismo sa inyong panimalay, which is kay ba mo mutabang, because when time comes nga mudako na mo, maminyo mo puhon-puhon, dili na mo maignorante unsa ang lihokon sa panimalay, ug unsa kalisod, ug unsa ka risgo ang naay kaugalingon nga pagpuyo. Okay, so I hope that you will apply and listen my advice. So gets ra?
Yes.
Okay, very good students. Fighting!
Fighting!
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Email. Again, email.
Email.
Detail. Again.
Trail. Illa. Face. Race. Door. Shore. Snore. Hurry. Ghost. Nose. Happy.
Sophia, do not eat your finger. Dili magkaon sa finger. Okay, hands dirty ha.
Bell. Hole. Mole. Stall. Hot. Knock. Stop. Pot.
Pat. Okay. Unsa to? Pat. Repeat after me. Pat. Okay, continue.
Jump. Kick. Pick. Lick. Hit. Snip. Love. Dub. Glove. Door. Name. Pen. Stain. Well. Tail. Clap. Mark. Start. Make. Great. Sweet. Million. Trillion. Change. This wish. Nine. Skip. Drip.
Okay, drip. That's not drive. Again, drip. Drip. Okay, continue.
Wall, fall, high, tide, wide, sing, wing, king, sun, moon, 10, hen, 3, 7, 11, rain, berry, white, right, red, made, hero, zero, make, flake, chip, fit, race.
Rare. That's not race. Rare. Again, what is that word? Make your voice loud, guys. I-open ang mouth para mas ma-pronounce nyo og tarong ang word. Okay, follow me. Rare. Go. Again, what is that word?
Rare.
Okay, continue reading.
Stay, bell, call, roll, stall, fall, shot, walk,
Shake. Again, students, shake. What is that word?
shake,
Sunod.
snake, goat, moth, goat, sweet,
Suit.
suit,
Again. Okay, continue.
Desk, aliens, complaints, signs, reliance, wells.
Okay, balik. Ato dito sa alliance. Okay, continue dira sa alliance.
Alliance.
No, tanawa dira. Prince, up above, alliance. Alliance, go.
Alliance. Complaints. Signs.
Make your voice loud, table 2.
Land.
Okay, Prince, thank you for teaching them. Ako silang praktisan pa more dong. Okay, that is what we call rhyming words. Ano sa'y tawag, ana?
Rhyming words.
Okay, sit down, Prince.